I love it. What? Give me a 1 to 10 because I can't see nothing. But I see a little something. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy March. I hope I'm posting this in March. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley Massey, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a few hairstyles that you can do with knotless braids. Mine are almost 3 weeks old and it's so dirty that I could probably create a snowstorm in my bathroom right now. So I figured why not show you some styles before I take them out. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. I tried a new lip gloss today and it accidentally touched my teeth. Now my mouth feels like peppers. It's a lip plumping lip gloss, but I've never experienced this before. I'll get that figured out. But if you enjoy this video, please leave it with a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already to see more of my content. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. First things first, I'm going to show you the accessories that I have with me to style my hair. And usually it doesn't really take much to manipulate the braids once you have a style in mind and you want it to stay. It takes little to no effort. You can actually put your hair up in a bun with none of these things, but I'm just gonna use them. I have a claw clip with me. I bought this from Walmart, I believe almost 2 years ago. I have some scrunchies. You can get these almost anywhere, Amazon. I got mine from multiple places, including Ulta Beauty. I have rubber bands. I got these at my local beauty supply store. And I also have bobby pins, which I also bought at my local beauty supply store. They just stay in my hair accessories stuff. The first hairstyle is going to be a half up, half down with pieces in the front tucked away. I'm gonna start by taking the first 2 rows of braids and bringing them to the front, like so. And then I'm going to take these 2 pieces and wrap it underneath all of the hair. So I'll have these 2 pieces and I'm going to take a rubber band and tie that up. Now that that's tied up, I'm going to take a few pieces from here. I'm going to take another rubber band and secure that. The tighter you want it, the more times you wrap the rubber band around the hair. And I'm also going to do the same for the other side. And this is it for hairstyle number 1. It's very subtle, very cute. This is what it looks like in the back. I feel like this is a perfect hairstyle if you don't like your hair in your face. This works out for me extremely well because I'm that type of person. You can play around with it as much as you like. You can have these 2 ponytails higher, lower, whatever you're trying to go for it. I also just realized that I missed a braid. Okay. Much better. The next hairstyle that I'm going to show you is a hair bow. I'm going to try my best to show it while I'm facing backwards on camera. I used to do this hairstyle a lot when I had my hair straight, like in middle school. So I'm excited to see how it's gonna turn out. I know we're working on braids, but it still should come out cute. I'm going to start by taking about half of my braids that's in the front, and then I'm going to tie it around the back, and then I'm only going to leave out probably like this much of hair. Can you see me? Yeah, so I'm gonna stop here, take this, split it in half, and with the hair that is hanging, I'm just going to put it through the middle and bring it through like where it got tied. If I can, let's see, is it working out? Okay, sorry. I need to see from the front for a second. But you see where I'm trying to get at? Oh my goodness, wait a minute. This is actually so cute. I honestly didn't expect for it to come out like this, but I love it. What? Give me a 1 to 10 because I can't see nothing. But I see a little something. I just seen what it looked like from the back. Let me know if it's better because I took a picture and I see the scrunchie a little bit. But I still think it's cute nevertheless. This is hairstyle number 2, a cute half up, half down hair bow. The next hairstyle is another half up, half down. This one, I feel like you can almost wear anywhere. It's basically going to be a bun with 2 twists that are wrapped around in the opposite direction of each other. I'm going to do the same thing by grabbing most of the hair that's in the front and tie it around back with my scrunchie. So it should look like this. Now I'm going to split it into 2, like so. It doesn't have to be even. And then I'm going to start twisting the hair amongst itself. I'll leave a few pieces out and secure this with a rubber band. I'm going to do the same for the other section. Now I'm going to turn around and basically twist one twist in one direction. And then twist the other in the other direction. And as you see, I'm tucking the hair underneath and it secures itself. I hope you got that. And you should have this beautiful twisted bun right here. And this is what it looks like from the front. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna take a picture to see how it looks from the back, but this is another hairstyle that's a go for me. I'm liking this hairstyle a lot. For this 4th hairstyle, we're going to be using the claw clip. It's basically going to be 2 twists into the claw clip. I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. I'm not the best at explaining or describing stuff, so forgive me. As you see, I kind of parted my hair off to the side here. Ooh. Yeah, I think that's good. I'm going to take a few pieces in the front and kind of twist it away from my face. So I'm twisting it like this. And then I'm gonna hold on to that, not twisting all the way. And kinda twist the other side and meet it together. In the middle, I'm tossing it up so I can put the claw clip right underneath it. Let the pieces hang. And this is hairstyle number 4. I feel like this would look super cute with some curls or with some bohemian pieces. I'm still going to get French curl braids, so I think I'm going to redo this video with more hairstyles because right now it's just given boneless, straight, knotless braids. I'm not complaining because it still looks cute, but imagine with some curls. For the next hairstyle, it's going to be similar to the side part and the claw clip, but I'm going to be doing a braid instead of a twist. So I'm still going to keep the same side part, take a few braids. I still don't know how to cornrow, y'all. I actually haven't taken the time to learn either, so that's completely on me. But I'm basically going to braid my hair, going to the side. And I don't think I want to braid it all the way. Let me see. That's so cute. Stop. Okay, so I'm not going to braid it all the way. I'm only going to braid it enough until it meets the middle. And then I'm going to take these pieces in the front meet it on the other side. And then I'm going to take my scrunchie and tie them up. This is hairstyle number 5. How are we liking her? You see the braid? This is what it looks like from the back. This is really cute. I actually have an event to attend tonight. I might wear my hair like this because why not? I just gotta grease up my scalp or it's flaking, you know? And that's it. But this is hairstyle number 5. I would also like to mention, if you don't like the thickness of the scrunchie, how it shows when you tie it up, you can also use rubber bands because they're a lot much thinner and you can barely see them with the braids. I'm just using a scrunchie for demonstration purposes and just so I can get a grasp of my hair. But if I'm going out, just know I'd most likely use rubber bands or pins to make the tie up seem seamless. For hairstyle number 6, we're going to be doing another half up, half down style, but this one's with 2 buns. For this hairstyle, I am going to leave a few pieces out in the front. Try to make it even. So I'm gonna leave 3 pieces. I'm going to take some of the hair that's on this side and tie it up. You can also fan out the buns here and leave pieces hang, kind of like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. I'm redoing this one because it's kind of loose. I want it to be tight so it can pretty much stay like this. I'm gonna play around with it a little bit though. I'm trying to play around with the braids a little bit to give it more shape. I want my buns to look like a science project, you know? Like I want it to look, my arms are tired. Let me know if you see the vision. Like I like this, I like this. What is it giving? I love it. I'm not mad at it at all. Yeah, this is what it looks like from the back. I would definitely encourage you to use pins if you want to keep any of these in place. I think this is fun and definitely outside of my comfort zone. I don't know what number hairstyle we are on, but this is a half up, half down with 2 actual space buns. Now we are on hairstyle number 7. I got it together. Our last 2 hairstyles for this video. This hairstyle is basically going to be a ponytail with 2 braids. You can make your ponytail how high or low you want it to be, but I'm basically going to tie my hair with the scrunchie twice so it can be kind of tight. It's not going anywhere. Now I'm just going to part this ponytail into 2, and I'm simply going to braid each side. I'm going to leave the blunt ends and secure it with a rubber band. And this is the final look with the 2 braids. I feel like this looks cute if you want the pigtails without actually parting your hair into 2 and doing the pigtails. It's all in one. I think this is so cute. What? If I wasn't missing my curls so much, I would have definitely kept these braids in longer just so I could do these styles every day, because this is hairstyle number 7. We're on our last and final hairstyle, hairstyle number 8, and it's basically going to be a low fanned out bun with some pieces sticking out. I'm going to take my scrunchie and gather my hair. I'm gonna put it through once, so all of the hair is through, and then I'm going to tie it twice and put it through again, but this time only halfway, and letting the rest fan out on its own. I feel like this hairstyle would eat with curls. Like if the hair was curly or if it had some curls going on, yes. It's almost giving claw clip with no claw clip. I also think this would look cuter if my braids were a lot much shorter and if it wasn't as long. But if you get what I was trying to do, then we're here. That was the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. I actually can't wait to get French curl braids this summer. That's a hairstyle that I've been itching to try. I can't wait to show you more hairstyles once that hairstyle is in. Comment down below any other natural hair videos you want to see or any content you want to see from me in general. I do want to film an updated Q&A video since I haven't done one in about 2 years on my channel. So I did create a Google form link where you get to ask me whatever you want. I asked for your name just so I don't feel like I'm talking to a robot, but everyone's name will be anonymous and I'll just be answering the questions. So you can find that link down in the description bar of this video below. It's going to be up for about a week and a half or until I film the video. If you have any questions about my career, my personal life, my relationship, anything else that's going on, or if you even need advice on anything, just write it down. I was about to say write it down below. You can just type it up in the form and hopefully it will be in the video. Thank you so much for watching again. I hope you take care of yourself and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye.